Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2000 ECE paper, and this question is related to digital circuits. A sequential circuit using D flip-flop and logic gates is shown in the figure, where X and Y are inputs, Z is the output. The circuit is A. SR flip-flop with inputs X is equal to R, Y is equal to S. Otherwise, SR flip-flop with inputs X is equal to S, Y is equal to R. Or it may be JK flip-flop with X JRK or Y KRJ. So out of these four options, which will be the right answer for this question? That we are going to calculate. Okay. So from this one, it includes a D flip-flop. So D flip-flop is nothing but, we know the characteristic of D flip-flop, that implies nothing but for D flip-flop Qn plus 1, the next state of D flip-flop is nothing but D value itself. Okay. The next state of D flip-flop is nothing but the present value of D will be treated as next state after application of clock edge. So Qn plus 1 is nothing but D. Okay, and this Qn plus 1 is going to be, we know that one, it is function of present inputs and present state, because it is a sequential circuit. So we can write present state and present inputs. F of present inputs are nothing but X comma Y, present state is nothing but Qn. So f is function of xy qn, and qn plus 1, that is next state is function of x comma y comma qn, present inputs and present state. Now we will see qn plus 1 is nothing but D, and D can be written as from this one, D value is equal to this, you are going to be getting it as, this is Z, so it is X bar Z you will get, and here this is Y and Z bar, so here you will get it as YZ bar. Okay, so YZ bar, D is equal to we can write it as D is equal to R operation between these two things, so that it can be written as X bar Z plus Y Z bar, and Z implies nothing but, here it is, okay, Z is nothing but present state, so we can write it as, so next state and present state, we will write a table, present inputs, present state and next state. So present inputs are nothing but X comma Y, and present state is nothing but Z value or Q value, both are same. Here it is Q is nothing but Z, and next state is nothing but Z plus, that is nothing but Q plus, which is nothing but D value itself, and the D equation is X bar Z plus YZ bar. So this is what we can write. So from this one, okay, so from this one, if xy is going to be having the values 0 0, if xy is 0 0, the present state may be 0, may be 1. So these are going to be the two options whenever x and y are going to be 0 zeros. Similarly, xy is equal to 0 1, at that time also the present state may be at 0 or may be at 1. Okay, and next, if present state present inputs 1 0, by that time present state may be 1, may be 0. So these are going to be the all possible values of present inputs and present state combination, present state and present inputs combination. So this is what we are going with. Okay, and last combination is 1 1. Whenever it is 1 1, the present state may be 0 or may be 1. Okay, so now if it is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, what you are going to get is nothing but next state is 0. Whenever x0, y0, z is equal to 1, z is equal to 1, x is equal to 0, 0 bar is nothing but 1, so you will get it is 1 itself. Okay, next 0 1, if you get 0 1 0 is nothing but z is equal to 0, so 0 into something is 0, z bar is equal to 1, 1 into y is equal to 1, you will get it as 1 itself. Next 0 1 1, whenever z is equal to 1, at that time x bar, whether it is 1 or not, we have to check, x bar is equal to 1, so you will get it as 1 itself. Next z is equal to 0, and inputs as xy as 1 0, so z is equal to 0 is nothing but z bar is 1, so you must look at the product z bar, so yz bar, yz bar y, where the value of y is 0, so the output will be 0. Next, z is equal to 1. Z is equal to 1 is nothing but you must go for the x bar, but x is equal to 1, so x bar is equal to 0. Next, xy is equal to 1 1. By that time present state is 0. 0 is z is equal to 0, z bar will be 1. So only the term z bar should be considered. So z bar is equal to 1 and y value is 1, so that you will get it as 1. Next, if the present state is equal to 1, okay, that is z is equal to 1. Z is equal to 1 is nothing but we must consider the x bar z, because z bar is 0, 0 into something is 0, so we don't consider that product term. Now x bar z, z is equal to 1, x bar is nothing but x is equal to 1, x bar is 0, 0 into something is 0, so you will get output as 0. This is what you are going to get. Next state for each possible combination of present inputs and present state. So now we will write a short table like this: x, y, and the relation is z plus. Okay, and the relation is z plus with 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So these are the possible combinations of xy, and what will be your next state in terms of present state. Okay, so whenever 0 0 xy is 0 0, at that time the next state and present state are going to be same. Okay, whenever it is going with xy is equal to 0 0, next state is nothing but present state, so next state is same as present state, that is nothing but z plus is equal to z. So z plus is equal to z I am writing. Next, 0 1, 0 1 is nothing but whenever 0 1, at that time compare z and z plus. So irrespective of z value, z plus is always 1. Are you getting this one? Okay. Whenever x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, that is for these two rows, irrespective of present state, the output is always 1, so this will be treated as set state, so it is 1. Next, for these two rows, 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1, irrespective of present state value, output will be always 0, so we can write it as 0 itself. Okay, and if you are going to say 1 1, whenever x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, what you are getting is nothing but z plus is equal to z bar. So z plus is equal to 1, z plus is equal to 0, z plus is equal to z bar, so this we are writing it as z bar. Okay, and out if you are going to be looking at the truth table of xy, you are going to get present state as next state, present state as complement of present, next state as present state, next state as complement of present state, and set state, reset state. All these things are only available in the JK flip flop, because in SR flip flop there is no complement state. So out of these four options you can skip A and B, because SR flip flop doesn't have any complement state, that is 1 1 state, it doesn't have 1 1 input values, so SR can be skipped off. Out of this C and D, so which resembles, whether it is JK flip flop, so it is definitely resembling JK flip flop, but whether X is J or K, that you have to check. We know that one for JK flip flop, this is JK flip flop, so J and it is K, this is Q plus. So by that time if it is 0 0, it will be Qn, if it is 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 Qn bar. Okay, complement you will get for 1 1, and same state you will get for 0 0, so both are same. And whenever j is equal to 0, you will get q is equal to 0, so j is equal to 0, you will get q is equal to 0. Next state will be 0 if j is equal to 0, so you must consider y as j, because whenever y is equal to 0, your next state is 0, whenever y is equal to 1, your next state is 1, so that this will be j is nothing but y and k is nothing but x. So this flip flop, that is this sequential circuit, is going to be exactly similar to JK flip flop with x is equal to k and y is equal to j. So the right option for this one is nothing but D. Thank you.